Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Viki Odintcova.
I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I...
Viki is a stunning fashion model and social media influencer, known for her incredible looks. Her real name is Viktoria.
Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Viktoria was born on November 15, 1994, in Russia. She's 29 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Scorpio. She is about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs around 53 kilograms.
I'm just lost to feel, I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel.
Her estimated body measurements are 34, 24, 36 inches.
And crash all the steel, will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go.
Viktoria is well known for her impressive social media presence and her appearances in prominent magazines like Playboy.
I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I...
So, what are your thoughts on Viktoria? Isn't she absolutely beautiful? Tell us what you think in the comments below.